Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha the Wifepreneur. Thank you so much guys for being here. If you're new, you're most welcome to my old tribe. Thank you so much for returning back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways in which you can grow your Instagram business page using Reels. So I'm going to give you 5 real ideas that you could use in your business, and this could be physical products, or it could be digital products. Either way works perfectly. Why are we using Reel? We're using Reels because Instagram favors Reels right now, because it's the new feature that was given to us late last year. At the end of this video, and if you try any of these Reels, you'll be able to reach a large audience, and you'll be able to get more followers, more people engaging with your page. And just don't forget a few rules that you have to follow when you're using Reels. You have to make sure that you are using Instagram app. Don't go and make a video in TikTok and bring it on Instagram. No, that's a big no, because Instagram announced last year that they're not going to prioritize such videos. So make sure when you are designing, when you're creating a reel, you use your smartphone, shoot vertically, 15 to 30 seconds video, then you're done showcasing whatever you have to show us. Real idea number 1, introduce yourself. Personal brand or whatever it is, introduce yourself. Tell us who you are, who you serve, what your business is all about. That is a good reel. People can get to know you. The first timers that may land on your page, they may get to know who you are, get your personality, your picture or your company logo and stuff. Reel number 2, you can share tips and tricks. If you have any tricks, any ideas on how to do something fast in a shorter period of time, how to get certain results in a shorter period of time, please make use of Reels. Reel number 3 idea is repurposing your evergreen content. So if you go down on your Instagram page, scroll down and see which content performed the best. That's the content that you also want to make a reel out of, because now you want to reach new audience. The fact that people could just like the one, or engage to the one that is on your feed, and these are people that are following you. How about people out there who may want to see the same information but are not following you, they don't know about you, but Reels can help you reach them. Real idea number 4 is how to video. Teach us how to do XY, or how to do this, how to dress this top, how you can transform this one top into 3 ways or 3 parts. You know, how you can write an ebook, how you can do something. So teach us how to. And how to is the greatest content that you can actually design or come up with or create in online, on social media platforms, because people really are here for tips and tricks and how to content. So real idea number 5 is before and after. Before and after. This is quite interesting, because now, for example, if you have a product that you have in stock, maybe it's a new lip liner, maybe it's a new powder, it's a new something, you can show us the before part, how the face may look, how whatever the product is, the before, and then after using or after applying that lipstick. So it's so important that you also do the before and after, so that it can have an effect. It may help people to decide and choose if they want to buy your product or not. It may not only apply to physical products, but as well as digital products. If it's an ebook, maybe before you just jot down ideas, and then you show us where the inspiration came from, and then the after, then you show us the product. Now the ebook, the cover page of that ebook, or the inside of the ebook, show us what you have came up with. So those are the 5 important real ideas that I've given you guys, and hope you're going to use any of them. Let me know which one sounds easier for you and which one you're going to start. I'll see you in my next one.